So, it has come this time to finally replace my YouTube PC, and unfortunately, it is a very bad time to do it. You know, with all this insane price rising, plus there isn't anything evolutionary in new hardware this year either, but still, it can't wait. I have to proceed, because it's not like I even have a PC to work on right now. The other thing is that I'm not much into hardware, so I made a quick research, made my initial pick, and then I sent it over to Claude, which pretty much changed everything, but the tower and power supply. Next, I'm going to share my shopping list and I would love your feedback. So this is basically my last chance before I buy it. Just remember, I may be a little limited by availability in Greece, and also, there is a 24% VAT on prices. Alright, let's go! For the tower, I chose the Lian Lancool 207 Gaming because of the low price and big room. Also, I went for a black build, but when I finally get a robot to clean my room twice a day, I will definitely go for a white one. Same brand for the power supply. It fits the box perfectly and it has good reviews. At 850 watts, that should be more than enough to power up the video card and CPU conveniently. I was totally going for an AMD CPU from the very start, and the motherboard options were so many. Originally, I had chosen an ASRock with an X870 chip, but then Claude stepped in and proposed an MSI instead. And I also upgraded to the X870E because the difference was like 30 euros or something. That was again something Claude changed, because originally I had selected the 3D family, but it turned out it was mostly for gaming, which I don't really care about. So I switched to the 9950X instead, and I added the Thermalright Phantom Spirit to the basket to cool it off. Now, if you run an open budget, the video card is not even a question. It always is an RTX 5090. No doubts, just shut up and kiss your 4,000 euros goodbye. But if you're running on a tighter budget, the real question is, should I get the 5070 or should I upgrade to the 5070 Ti? Quite honestly, less than a year ago, I would have just picked the 5070. But nowadays, 300 euros don't feel like an awful lot anymore. I mean, do they really? Wait, I think I should have enabled my crying emotion tag. Boo-hoo-hoo. And the final piece, a Samsung 9100 1TB for storage. And so, that was my full build. And remember, that's not me proposing to you what to buy, but the opposite. This is you suggesting to me a better build for content creation and AI development. Within my budget, of course.